The TOWERINT is a two-story rolling scaffold tower for home improvement, drywall, and contractor use. Setup can be completed by one person. Insert each caster and secure it with the connector pin. Then attach the frames to the side braces. Make sure all four L-shaped lock pins are inserted fully into the holes on the frame and are level with each other. Drop in the platform and rotate the platform clips into the engaged locking position. Once you lock the casters, you can start on the outriggers by adding the casters and connector pins. Align the outrigger with the frame and attach the two clamps. Repeat until all four outriggers have been attached. Prepare to install the guardrail system by connecting rails using the long bolts. Then attach the bottom panels using the short bolts. Make sure the side with the door is placed on inside of the panel. Climb the scaffold and add the frames, the side braces, and the platform. Slide the guardrail into each side brace opening, then rotate the doors closed. The two-story rolling scaffold tower has a max weight capacity of 1,000 pounds and allows you to stand as high as 11 feet. Use it at a job site or at home to paint, change ceiling light fixtures, repair HVAC, and more.